welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I just got this in the mail. I have not seen what's in here. I have not even seen the bag. I don't even know the theme or anything. Last month I did kind of like know more or less what I got, and yeah, but today I just got this and I want to do a video to show you guys what is in my Ipsy unbagging. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do this. I have my hair all up. I did a video. Did I do a video today? No, I went to go do a few things, but I have it up because I'm actually gonna go run. So I need to start working out again, so that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm just gonna go run a mile just to get my body like back into it slowly, because I don't want to go like full on hardcore, you know what I mean? So anyway, let's go ahead and unbag this. I already opened this because Addison, my little one, wanted to see what I got, and so she's like, ooh, that's like, don't tell me, I don't want to know, because I'm gonna go shoot a video right now. So this little card is different. It has like a little pamphlet type of thing now, and I don't even know if everyone's getting everything. I have no idea. It just says new year, more products, more focus on you. So it has that, and then it just has these like products. I don't even know if we're all getting the same thing. I hope. I don't know. I have no idea. So okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the little bag of the month, and it looks like this. Now again, I don't like material like this. I like it to be like vinyl because it's easier to clean makeup, but in all honesty, like, this is really cute. I really like it. I dig it, and this looks pretty much like a little blue jean. But I mean, I guess I can put like little pens and pencils and stuff in here, because I've been getting back into my bullet journaling, and also I've been getting into writing again. So I can just put my little pens and pencils in there. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm already like looking at the product, not paying really attention, but I'm gonna go ahead and take out this product first because it was just in there, not in the bag. And it's another brush, which I love getting brushes, like no joke. I love getting new brushes in my Ipsy. You can never have enough brushes. So I want to say this is the same brand that we've been getting. I feel like I have a hair. That's the thing about having a dog or any kind of pet. So this one is by that Shimmering Glam, but I like the fact that I like this little glitter handle. It's so cute, and then it has like little rhinestones in there, and I believe these are pink, and then it has like a cotton candy kind of ombre thing, like a blue, and then it goes into the bottom pink. I don't even know if my camera's picking up that light pink, but I really like this. I love brushes, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my little collection, and then take out the first product. So the second product is a anti-aging moisturizer. It's a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in. So that's pretty cool, since I am getting older. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I've never tried anything like this before, so I'm excited to try anything like skincare. It smells like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of those creams that you order like from Avon, you know. That's what brings me back to. But I really like the little packaging, like I like the little purple and white, so I'll go ahead and be trying that out. Next product I want to pull out is Tarte. This is the Amazon Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, which is pretty cool. Hopefully this is my shade. I want to say it is. I've used this foundation before, and I actually really like it. It is a full coverage, so I do know that I like this foundation. Hopefully this is the right one. I don't know, it doesn't really tell me like the name of the shade, but oh well, I'm gonna try that when I run out, like, you know, emergency. And the next one is a hydrating illuminator, hydrating treatment with soft focus pigments packed with, I can't even see that, Nilotica Reserve to create a natural glow. So I'm probably gonna give this to Destiny because I don't like anything with a glow, because I already have oily skin, so this is gonna make me look more like a grease donut. So I am probably gonna give that to her. And the last but not least is a skin balancing mask. I love masks. This is what it looks like right here. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got in my little Ipsy bag this month. I'm gonna have to say that it's not my favorite. I really don't use these products, and I really like getting like brushes. I love lip products. I love foundations, of course. But stuff like this, I mean, it's alright, but it's not something that kind of made me like, oh, exciting. So I'm gonna have to say this month isn't my favorite. But anyway, those are the products that I got. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it's quick, fast, and easy. It's just kind of straight to the point of what I got in my bag. Let me know what you got if you're with Ipsy. I'm gonna have to say my favorite thing that I got. So I'm excited for that. And yeah, that is about it. So anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully, because it was just really fast. But if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to notify for future videos. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because once I hit 200, I will be giving eyelashes to a lucky winner. And yeah, that is about it, guys. So I will see you guys in my next video.